YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you. Look, hope everybody enjoying their day today. You know the routine by now, right? Well, if you don't, go ahead and hit that like button. Tell a friend and tell a friend. That means share this video. As well as you want to become a part of this movement, go ahead and subscribe. You never know. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heathen content. Got to do it to you. Wouldn't be right. That's my opinion now. Sheesh. Let's go. I got some heat. Early look. We got the Jordan 4s, the airmax collab, the 95 airmax collab. Let me get into it, but let's get into the box first. Dope box. You got the flight on it. Got the black, the gray, the Jordan logo. Jumpman with the flight. See all the literature here, size 12, your boy size. Retail is $225, so the price point is kind of high. But let me explain a little bit. Not trying to sell you on the shoe. This is one of my favorite colorways. Jordan 4 is not one of my favorite Jordans, but the 95 Air Max is. So let's hop right into it. Sheesh. Not gonna hold you up. Some good material. We're gonna come right here to the toe box. The toe box, you got that suede, like nubuck material. It's gray, dark gray, a charcoal. Oh, let me start now. Let me take it back. Let's start down here. Let's go to the layers. You come right here. That suede material nubuck, that gray. You got another gray suede material nubuck. You got another gray suede material, like that nubuck feeling. Little stroke action. The reason why they did that, if anybody know about the 95 Air Max, they knotted them out. The 95 got the layers of the colors, the way they kind of roll everything into like one, make the colors pop off. They got that part right. On the back, you got the Nike Air on the ass. On the booty, you see the Nike Air on the back. 3, I think it's reflective. Don't worry, your boy will give you a walk around on the shoe with the light. Then you knot it out. You got the bubble right here. Still got that. See that Volt colorway? That tennis ball Volt colorway, that green. I'm digging that. You got 3M laces too as well. I've been seeing people do lace swaps, taking the laces out. I will put a lime green pair or show you how a lime green pair look on this shoe. On the tongue, let's come to the tongue real quick. They actually give you the Air Max tongue. I thought that was dope from 95. This is the tongue. Still got the Jordan Flight, but this is the tongue from the Air Max. Of course, you got the Air Jordan upside down. Let's get all the way into it, gang. Nice outside today, doing some yard work, so I figured we'd knock this video outside together. Nike Air, Volt color. Supposed to look on the back. Everything is good. The little pinches right here they're starting to put on the shoes, on the inserts. Pull out the other shoe. Didn't come with extra laces. Nike, you should have gave your boy extra laces for $225. Real quick, I'll pull out the other shoe. This is the paper. You got black. Should come with 2. You got the black paper, as well as you got the white paper. So you get the shoe, actually the white paper folds down to reveal one shoe at a time. So it's like this, and it comes up, and then the white paper. So y'all keep that in mind. I unboxed the shoe when I got it like a week ago. So that's what's going on. The shoe box. Other shoe, pretty much the same. Not gonna keep going over. I will pull out insert. Shoe this, you can see what's going on. Let me know if you're gonna go after this pair. Leave a comment below. Some people don't rock it. I understand the price point is kind of high. Not gonna hold y'all up. It is a high price point, but man, green is your boy's favorite color, so I had to bring this pair back here to the shoe box. Then it's that Volt colorway, like that tennis ball color, man. Trust me, I'm gonna work some magic with this. Oh, real quick, y'all thought I forgot? Did y'all stop watching? Did you fast forward it? Did you rewind it? The UNC Chicago. What? The retro pass. Man, you know your boy didn't forget. Don't go nowhere. We about to let the results go. Y'all know the routine. Congratulate the winner. You never know when it's your turn to win. That was the retro pass for what month we win? March. That was for February. We're gonna let one go in March. Y'all stay tuned. We're working out that next retro pass. So that's just letting y'all know what's going on. I had to do it on this video. It was an early look. If you don't know, follow Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks on IG. Kind of keep y'all updated, and as well as it kind of lets you know how you can enter our raffles and our giveaways. Some of them going to be raffles for exclusive shoots. A lot of them are giveaways. You are on the right channel. This is the official Give Back channel. You know what we say around here, right? We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Look, I'm going to go around with the shoe. Don't go nowhere. We're going to get into these results. Congratulate the winner. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. No Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah, cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile them up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If he scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Woo. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel, it's full of content. Matty kicks will sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam. Double strong, mighty they stand. 90 lines in the 80, the man. Pull up in the old school. Better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the peeps. That brother paying his dues. Getting blessed by the best. So how could he lose? Drip gang. Retro gang. And Matty kicks. Keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, Retro gang, and Matty kicks, keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, Retro gang, and Matty kicks, keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, Retro gang.
All right, that's the process. Look, when I enter everybody's name, they do what they're supposed to do. I ask them to do a task, either subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow somebody else on IG, visit somebody else's page. That's what you need to do. Everybody entries come in. You can't cheat it on Gleam. Shout out to the winner. Pointing up, Devon, you are the winner. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm gonna alert you. I got your email address, as you can see. Hey, you know how we do around here, man. We ain't gonna play these games about these raffles and these giveaways. You are on the right channel. This is your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Matty's Kicks. Look, everybody enjoy their day. Now, let's do the walk around on these shoes. Let's go.